Rain came in buckets Wednesday for a large area west of Tulsa that covered parts of Tulsa, Osage, Pawnee, Noble, and Kay counties. The large red area on a rainfall map from 9 p.m. Wednesday indicated an area where total rainfall was over 8 inches for the previous 24 hours. The sad part of this map was the lack of rainfall in the southeast. The good news was that Kingfisher picked up 2 1/1400 inches of rain, the most in one rain event for Kingfisher since April 29th. A relative humidity map from Tuesday, October 2nd at 10:30 a.m. showed high humidities across the state. The lowest relative humidity was 74% at Putnam. The highest humidities were 99% in the southeast. Humidities in the Panhandle were in the low 80s. The dew point temperatures showed much drier air in the Panhandle compared to the rest of the state, about a 20-degree difference. So why were the humidities so similar in the Panhandle to other areas in the state? The air temperatures for most of Oklahoma at 10:30 Tuesday morning were in the mid-70s. In the Panhandle, air temperatures were in the 50s, close to 20 degrees cooler. Here's Gary with a look at a dry, droughty southeast.
Let's go right to that drought monitor report and see what we have. Well, we did have a dramatic increase in the amount of abnormally dry, which is the yellow area, and the moderate drought, which is the light tan area, across the eastern third to half of Oklahoma, depending on which part of the state you look at. Much of southeastern Oklahoma and also up from east central into northeastern Oklahoma, that's where we saw those increases. However, as I said, those areas were getting rain, so hopefully when we show this map next week, we will see a big reduction just like we saw a big increase this week. Now this map is built largely off of what happened during September. And if we go back to the September departure from normal rainfall map, we can see that area across the eastern third of Oklahoma, down into parts of south central Oklahoma, where the deficits were generally from 2 to nearly 4 to 5 inches of rainfall, depending on where you look at. In fact, a couple of areas in southeast Oklahoma had no rainfall for the month of September, which is incredible considering that southeastern Oklahoma, our rainiest part of the state. And also southeastern Oklahoma had its driest September on record, dating all the way back to 1895. So that's where we saw that dramatic increase on the drought monitor map. Looking forward from the Climate Prediction Center, the outlook for the temperature, we do see increased odds of above normal temperatures across most of the state, all but the northwestern quarter. And then for precipitation, we see increased odds for below normal precipitation across that southeastern half to third of the state, especially in far southeastern Oklahoma. Now remember, those outlooks are for the entire month, not what just happens during the first week or two. So we'll have to wait until the end of the month to see if those actually came true. That's it for this time. We'll see you next time on the Mesonet Weather Report.